We're back. We asked you guys, what do you want to see? And you told us off-roading. First, we hooked the trucks up to each other for a tug-of-war, where CO2 dragged K350 across the parking lot, shattering the drive shaft. Last time, we took the trucks to Road America and drag raced them. K350 dusted CO2, pinning the series to a 1-1 tie, thus bringing us to Gravity Park. Normally a retired farm turned into dusty motocross track, but today it becomes a sandbox for our metallic giants to see who is truly the winner in this matchup. On one side we have the K350, a turbocharged diesel on an 8-inch BDS lift kit, toting 26x14 ARKON Crown Series victories and 40x15.5 Fury Country Hunter MTs. A behemoth of a truck and the larger and younger brother of the two. Across the ring is CO2, a supercharged 6-liter gasser in a 2500 on a 6.5-inch BDS lift kit equipped with 26x14 ARKON Lincolns wrapped in 37x13.5 Fuel Mud Gripper MTs. Racing around a modified version of Gravity Park, the champion will be crowned for whoever completes a single lap in the shortest time trial. These trucks definitely should not be off-roaded, but you guys asked for it, so we're gonna do it.
All right, guys, so we're here at Gravity Park, and today we're gonna put the two trucks against each other. On my right here, you have the turbocharged diesel K350, otherwise known as the ARKON truck. On my left, the supercharged gas engine CO2. So you guys have seen it before. We've done the drag race, we've done the tug of war. Each truck has one win. Today we're gonna put them against each other to find out which truck is the best. Let's get them dirty. All right, Banker, let's do this. So let's figure out who's going first.
All right.
In my hands, I have a quarter. Heads, tails, right? Super simple.
Yep.
Call it in the air.
Tails.
Tails it is. You're up first.
Oh, that's how that works?
Yes.
Oh, I wanted to go second.
It's fine. May the best man win, even though I know I'm going to.
Let me tell you something. I am the best there is, plain and simple. I wake up in the morning and I piss excellence. No, but honestly, yeah, we're gonna walk him. The diesel's got more power. The truck's just built better, and you have a better driver. It's hands down, we got this. Well, that was fun.
Well, I'm gonna be honest, you took that way rowdier than I had anticipated.
We came to party.
Oh, fuck. Alright guys, so we ran both CO2 and K350, of course. Cody Banker went first, I went second. We've actually got Nate behind the camera. He's gonna give us the official times and we can find out just which one is better.
I'm a little worried. I hate going first. Because like, it's like you set the bar and it's like, oh, I just have to go faster than that. So
That's
like,
a tough track, regardless. And
it was. And
from the Overwatch, you looked way faster than I felt.
and you looked way faster than it felt for me too. So,
I guess we'll find out. All right, give them to us.
are you prepared to be roasted by the internet? Either one of us is going to be.
Are you
roasted.
prepared to lose? Listen, if I lose, I get kicked out, right? Sean ran the whole lineage up with this thing. That's his truck. He brought it to the competition first. So if I fail, it's a big deal.
If I fail, do you think Dad will let me build a new truck?
Maybe. Maybe it'll be a good thing if you fail. We can build another one.
I hope I went slow so I can build it better.
Well, the K350 did a minute 6.
That's
and
respectable.
CO2 got air at the end and did a minute 3.
Woo! Yes!
Got a little bit of air.
Oh man, that was all right. So I got in the truck and I was super nervous, right? Because I don't want to break it. I tried to like not psych myself out, but I also there was at one point I looked over at Keaton and Keaton was like, "Oh my God!" And I was like, "We didn't come here to lose," and I'm mad at it. Didn't come here to lose, Keaton. So, oh man,
See, and it looked like you came off of here a little slow, and I was like, "Oh, he's gonna take it too easy." You'll watch the footage. And when I was watching, I was like, "Dustin, you can go faster. You can go faster." Come on, you can go faster than that. Now this corner is really soft. Let's see how he does. He even caught me off guard a little bit. Oh, he took that really nice. He's got a good line there. I felt like I launched it really hard off the start.
Yeah, you had a lot of wheels.
And it felt like the space shuttle taking off. That truck, like I'm gonna have to go through it because it shook so hard.
It's big. Yeah,
And I was like, I am losing so much time right now.
the two spots I think I got was the back corner because I could throw it around and get down in there.
Yeah, that
and
back
then
corner was miserable.
coming up into the first tabletop is where I really got you because you lost all your momentum coming
Yeah,
up.
and then that back corner, the truck just pushed really hard.
Yeah, absolutely.
I knew I was gonna lose some time in such a.
What are you guys, lost? Get out of here, the mall's that way. Well, time you use them trucks for what they're built for.